Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be learning how to make this waterfall jacket for a girl of 10 to 11 years old. And then I have a chiffon fabric which measures about 42 inches in length and 40 inches in width. Okay, so this is my fabric. I just went ahead and folded it into two. Then I'll go again and fold it into two again. So basically my fabric is folded in four fold, just like the way we do when we want to cut a flea. So the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and measure it all around, and for this I'm marking out 19.5 inches. So I'm going to mark 19.5 inches all round. This is for a child, okay? However, if you want to make this for an adult, you'll be needing about 1.5 yard of fabric. And then when you fold it into four, you can go ahead and measure 25 inches all around. But for this one, it is for a child, okay? So that's why I'm taking 19.5 inches all round. So after marking it, I'm just going to go ahead and connect my lines. I'm sorry it was looking so faint and I didn't notice this on time. But however, if you follow me carefully, I'm sure you will understand what I am saying. Okay, so after connecting your lines, you go ahead and cut. This is actually a very simple DIY tutorial that you can pull out in less than 3 minutes. Like, it's very simple. Okay, so this is it. I'm cutting. After cutting it out, I'll go ahead and open it up. So I just opened it up just once, okay, and this is what we have. So you can see my fabric is still folded into two, so I'll leave it. The next thing we want to do, go ahead and create our armhole and then the dropping for the neck. Okay, let me bring it closer so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's fine. So let's continue. So what I'm going to do is from this tip, I'll go ahead and come down by 10 or 12 inches. So you can measure 10 to 12 inches. For this particular one, I came down by 12 inches. But if you're making this for an adult, you can come down by 15 inches. But for this one, I came down by 12 inches. Then from that point, you take your shoulder measurement divided by 2, which is 14 divided by 2, 7 inches. So I marked 7 inches here, and then I just drew a straight line. Now it is on that straight line that I am going to measure the armhole measurements. This is the shoulder point. Then I'm going to measure the armhole. So for the armhole, I'm using the same 7 inches. The armhole is going to be free, so I'm using the same 7 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark it out. So I'm trying to draw my straight line. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and find the midpoint of this armhole. Remember, my armhole measurement is 7 inches. So when we divide this by 2, we have what? 3.5 inches. So that is my midpoint. Now on that midpoint line, I'm going to come in by 1.25 inches. So for an adult, you can do as much as 1.5, but 1.25 inches is perfectly okay for a girl of 10 years old. Because at the end of the day, when you go ahead to search or weave it, you discover that the hole will become a little more wider. So I'm going to connect this into an oval shape. I'll just curve it just into an oval shape kind of. So this is it. After connecting it, I'll go ahead and make a hole at the middle of that armhole, so that I'll be able to cut it. So I just brought my camera closer. So this is my armhole. So I'll just create an opening so that I'll be able to cut it. So from there, I'll just go ahead and cut out my armhole. So this is it, we are done cutting, so I'll go ahead and open it up, and to tell you the truth, we are simply done. So can you see my armhole? You can see my two armhole. So the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and serge the armhole and then serge the waterfall jacket all around, and this is the outcome of our jacket, looking so beautiful already. If you know you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Until next time when I come your way again, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.